That question about butterflies! What's the difference between a moth and a butterfly? Moths and butterflies belong to the order Lepidoptera, but they have physical and behavioral differences. The resting wing posture is one of the most noticeable distinctions between them. Moths sleep with their wings open, but butterfly sleeps with their wings closed. Another difference between moths and butterflies is that butterflies are active during day or diurnal, whereas moths are active at night or nocturnal. How many butterfly species are there? There are about 70,000 to 20,000 species of butterfly in the world, and around 750 to 900 species in the United States. And the most common butterflies are meadow brown, small white, peacock, cabbage white, and ringlet. Their wings are transparent. At first glance, you will see a colorful wings and perhaps one of the most vibrant colors of all insects. But in reality, they are transparent indeed. Their wings are coated in millions of tiny scales that reflect light in various colors. Their wings are made of chitin, same protein that makes up their exoskeleton. You can see straight through these layers because they are so thin. They use their feet to taste? This might be unusual to humans, but butterflies do use their feet to taste. Their feet features taste sensors that assist them in finding plants and food. A female butterfly lands on several plants and drums their foot on the leaves until the plant spills its juice. Chemoreceptors on the back of their legs detect the proper match of the plant compounds. How long does a butterfly live? The average lifespan of an adult butterfly is 3 to 4 weeks. However, the entire life cycle can last anywhere between 2 to 8 months. Once it's emerged from the pupa stage, it focused on eating and mating. On the other hand, the brimstone butterfly has the longest lifetime of any adult butterflies, ranging from 9 to 10 months. What do they eat? In their early stage as a caterpillar, they mostly feed on grass or leaves. But once they become an adult butterfly, they can only feed on liquid, usually nectar. Simply put, they can't chew. Their proboscis, like straw, used to sip the nectar or some various of liquid substance. And they fly after getting out of the pupa case? No, they can't immediately fly after greeting the world. They must pump body fluids through their wings to expand them. Once its wings reach its full size, it must rest for a few hours to allow its body to dry and harden before it can take its first flight. Why is there a butterfly in the puddles? These are called Puddle Clubs, mainly consisting of male butterflies. They gathered near puddles or damp soil to sip the moisture from the puddles because they like the salt and mineral from the soil. Do butterflies migrate? Yes, many butterflies migrate to avoid winters or cold weather. They require approximately 85 degrees to be active and move freely. One of the most remarkable butterfly migration is the annual migration of North American's monarch butterfly. They travel up to astonishing 3,000 miles through central Mexico. Bonus knowledge! A group of butterfly is called a kaleidoscope. The biggest butterfly is Queen Alexandra's birdwing. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get the latest video about that question.